Yo, back at you again with another video. Today, we're changing this out. Hold up. All right. Today, we're changing this out. Hopefully it's better. All right, YouTube, this video is gonna be very short, but I'm gonna see if I can add some more content as far as like riding and that sort of thing on some other things I do with the bike. But today we're changing out the windscreen. I ordered one off, I forgot the website, but I'll leave the link in the description below, the website I got it from. And this windscreen is a little bit higher, a little bit taller, because when I'm doing a full tuck, a lot of the wind hits the front of my helmet and it kind of makes me have neck fatigue. So let's see if we can unwrap this new windscreen and see what it looks like and how much air it blocks. That has a little dip here. I'm not sure if this is higher. I tried to measure it while it's in the plastic and it didn't look like it was higher. So I'm gonna put it onto the bike and see the difference. All right, so let's cut this thing open and see what this windscreen looks like. I thought it was all the way smoke. It did say semi-smoke when I placed the order, but I didn't think it was gonna be this light. It's like my visor. And I just hate using a blade with one hand. All right, so this is basically what it looks like. I'm gonna put these two on the ground side by side and see which one goes higher. To take this off, it is a T, so the one that this is on is a T15. So let's take it off of the T15. Man, this is my first time taking off this visor on this type of bike, and these don't look like they're in there pretty tight. I wonder what's going on. Let's see here. I really do hope that the new visor gives me a little bit more windshield than the one that's on here, the OEM one. I really do hope so. So this one's loose. Let's keep loosening them up here. I've been looking at some CBR650Rs without mirrors, and boy, I tell you, I'm tempted. I must say, I'm tempted. All right, so to take this off, I think you push down and pull up. Yeah, man, it's easy. Up. Come on, damn it. All right, now it's not cooperating. Oh, and I see why. Because it has a little rubber bushing inside. Hold on one second. So if you look, it had this rubber bushing on here and the one on the other side. That was keeping it from passing. So when you take this off, it's basically supposed to slide straight back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay them both on the ground, side by side, so you can see that there's a difference with aerodynamics. And if you look, oh no, they're the same. I'm hoping because these bushings are in the way. Let me take the bushings off. They look exactly the same. I mean, it's a little bit taller, but I don't see how that's gonna make a difference. They're pretty much exactly the same though. But if you really look at it though, the angle of the one in the back is higher than the OEM one. So let's just install it and see what it looks like. I'm curious. All right, so real quick to install it, I took these off of this. You're gonna need these for the new windscreen. And basically, the tall ones go in the front. Oops. Wait, they're all the same? No. Okay, so this one is tall, this one is short. So the tall ones go in the front, and the short ones go in the back, just like this orientation. So let me put them on real quick because I need 2 hands, and then I'll meet you at the bike. I always tell you in all the videos, save your OEM parts. This is what it looks like with the original one. And let's change it out and see what it looks like with the new. I must say, I see a difference. No, I'm gonna leave it like this. Let's go for a ride. All right, so to put this new one on, I have to pretty much slide it and lift this both at the same time. Someone told me to take the mirrors, not take them off, but loosen them so that this stay bar or the stay frame can rise a little bit higher, so I can get these little rubber bushings in better. So I'm gonna loosen these up. If I'm not mistaken, these are 4.5. So let me grab those real quick. All right, so now that I got the mirrors loose, if you look, I can lift this a lot higher than I could before with the mirrors being loose like this. So, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this with one hand. I can't even get it to, yeah, I'm gonna need 2 hands. How am I gonna lift it? I'm gonna install the visor and I'm gonna put the screws back. Uh-oh, I'm already having issues. If you look, let me see if I can get a closer shot. It's not lining up. Like this, it's not lining up. And then this part is perfect all the way up, but once it gets to the top, it no longer lines up. I'm not sure if this part here started to shrink over time and it caused it to kind of like flex in, but I'm just going to continue with the install and see how it looks in the end. So let me just finish up the process. Sorry I can't record this part because I do need 2 hands, one to hold it in place and the other to me, this part seems to go a lot higher than the original one I had before. It could be the placebo effect, but it does feel like it goes higher. Another thing, I don't like graphics on any of the things that I own, so I'm going to take this sticker off. I always make this one be the hardest. And obviously this one off. Yeah. That new plastic smell. Yeah. Yeah. And that one. All right. So now that to me looks clean. Yeah. I think while I'm in this video, I should take off those frame sliders, but I don't mind them. They're not in the way. I want to replace them first. So I'm going to close out this video here. I want to thank you guys for watching this windscreen install on a Honda CBR 650R 2019. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.